Welcome to English Lovers Hub.
That's right. We're here to help you speak with confidence.
Stop. Do you feel nervous at the airport because of English?
Don't worry. Today we will help you speak English at the airport easily. Hello, everyone. Welcome to English Lovers Hub.
Hi guys, how are you today? Today, we will learn how to speak English at the airport.
Yes, very easy English. Very simple sentences.
And very useful for real life.
If you like learning English in a fun way,
Please like the video.
and subscribe to our channel. Okay, Levish, imagine you are at the airport.
Oh, I feel nervous already.
Don't worry, let's go step by step.
Okay,
First situation, you enter the airport.
what do I say?
You may ask, where is the check-in counter?
Okay, simple. Repeat after me. Where is the check-in counter?
Where is the check-in counter?
Good, very good.
But what if I don't understand the answer?
Good question. You can say, sorry, can you repeat?
Oh, yes, very useful.
Repeat. Sorry, can you repeat?
Sorry, can you repeat?
Now you are at the check-in counter.
Okay, I am ready.
Hello, may I see your passport?
Yes, here it is.
Very good.
That was easy.
Yes, very simple English. Staff may ask, do you have any luggage?
Oh, I always carry a big bag.
Same here. Repeat. Do you have any luggage?
Do you have any luggage?
You can answer, yes, I have one bag, or no, I have no luggage.
Let me try. Yes, I have one bag.
Perfect. Now, next step, security check.
Oh, this part is scary.
Don't worry. Please put your bag here.
Okay?
Very simple sentence. Please put your bag here.
Yes, very easy.
Another sentence, take off your shoes.
Oh no, not my shoes.
Yes, sometimes. Repeat. Take off your shoes.
Take off your shoes.
Now you are inside the airport.
Yay, I am safe now.
You need to find your gate.
Yes, very important.
You can ask, where is gate 5?
Simple.
Repeat. Where is gate 5?
Where is gate 5?
If you are late, you can say, is the flight boarding?
Oh, this is very useful.
Now, let's practice together.
Yes, you listen and answer.
Question 1. You want to find the check-in counter. What will you say?
Say, where is the check-in counter?
Good. Question 2. You don't understand. What will you say?
Sorry, can you repeat?
Excellent. Now, repeat with us, slowly. Where is the check-in counter?
Sorry, can you repeat?
Do you have any luggage?
Do you have any luggage?
Please put your bag here.
Please put your bag here.
Where is gate 5?
Where is gate 5? Again, one more time.
Where is gate 5?
Sorry, can you repeat?
Very good today.
Yes, now airport English is easy.
Don't be afraid to speak English.
Practice every day.
Tell us in the comments, have you ever been to an airport?
Or where do you want to travel?
See you in the next video. Bye.